Now, another good thing with this system is if you go to your music, let's see, we go to the Man Who Can't Be Moved there, you see at the bottom, I'm going to bring it up here because the light's shining on it, but if I click on there, the circle, the 3 circles with the silver triangle there, you see there's a tick next to Car Multimedia. That means whatever plays on here, whatever music's playing on here, whatever sound, whether it be Spotify, Amazon Prime, YouTube, the actual soundtrack will play through the speakers in here if you've got this set right. So that should be playing. Well, click play, it doesn't seem to want to, so it's playing there now. We go over to here, click on media, that's on the radio, but source button is up there in the corner. We click source, again it's still showing radio, but we've got an all button here, so we click on all, and then you've got BT. Click Bluetooth, there you go, that's the tune playing.